Welcome to the first masterclass at Venki's DQ Academy. Everyone loved the professor's plan in Money Heist. Tick. But did you know the professor is actually a master of digital intelligence? Tick. He didn't just rob a bank, he hacked the human system. Today we decode the heist from a deep Arctic. In the show, the red jumpsuits and mask created confusion. The digital world hackers use phishing and spoofing as their mask. They don't break your password, they trick Arctic you into giving it to them. Just like the professor used the public sympathy, hackers use your emotions against you. This is the first rule of DQ. Verify before you trust Arctic. The gang always found a secret tunnel or a back door to enter the mint Arctic. Your apps, your smart devices, even your Wi-Fi can have a back door. If your software isn't updated, you are leaving the vault door wide open for a digital Tokyo or Berlin to walk right in. Arctic. We will look at how zero-day vulnerabilities are the real-life tunnels into your private data. Arctic. The heist only succeeds if the gang escapes. But at Venki's DQ Academy, our goal is to catch them before they leave. We are going to build your digital shield. We will discuss multi-factor Arctic authentication as your vault lock and encryption as your secret code. By the end of this hour, you won't just be a viewer, you will be the professor of your own digital safety.